This is Nogotinitan Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Royal AM not. My brother, what's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Mnguni. I'm from Atteridgeville, right here in the hometown.
Yeah. How do you feel about the game tonight?
I had mixed emotions. I was happy because the goal came. I was not also happy because we've been struggling to get a goal. 6 chances by Shalulile missed. We're missing.
Yeah.
We're getting yellow cards left and right. It's not working out. I'm sad.
Normally, this time of the year, after you have been confirmed to have taken the league,
Yes.
it seems like your game slows down. What do you think is the reason for that?
I think it's fatigue. We're getting tired. People are
You're
saying,
playing a lot of games.
yes, we're
Yeah.
playing a lot of games. People are saying us Sundowns fans are complaining. We're saying, we can't get tired. We can't get tired.
Yeah.
Our players are getting tired. We play CAF. We play Netbank. We play the league. They can't blame us for being the successful club in South Africa, in the country.
Yeah.
I mean, these competitions, we're ruling them. In 1st of June,
Everywhere.
1st of June,
Yeah.
we're taking it.
Are you taking that one?
I'm very sure of it. I'm very sure.
Who do you think can make things happen for you? Is it the players or the coach on the first?
It's the players, and I strongly believe my man of the match will be Marcelo Allende.
Is it?
Yes.
Let's hope that he will be fit by the day, because I also like Allende. I don't support Sundowns, but
Yes.
I like Allende.
Allende.
It's good. And Nakona, all those players that come from overseas.
Yes.
Allende,
Matias Escavel.
Matias also.
Yeah.
They play good football.
Yes.
They're very good. And there's also this one that I just saw today.
Tashreeq.
Yeah, it's
Aye,
very good
Matthews.
football. That one,
Matthews is
is one of the
fantastic.
best. Yeah.
I wanted to get a picture with him, but I couldn't.
Why didn't you go there at the back?
At the back, they don't let us in.
No.
So,
Oh,
but Matthews, his football. I've been researching him since he came to Sundowns.
yeah.
Played for BVB.
Mm.
He didn't get the chance to play the first team. He could have
Yeah.
been playing in the Champions League final. But
Yes. You could have, I wish Zwane was included in the squad.
Yes.
Those 2 games, maybe something was gonna happen.
I also wish Zwane could have been here because I was
Yeah,
like,
because that was
what?
his last.
I was like, where is Zwane? Where is Zwane? Because we need in that midfield.
Yeah.
That song goes by Ujiga Gamnandi. Ujiga Gamnandi.
Yeah.
Ujiga
Yeah.
Gamnandi.
Oh, thank you very much. Who was your man of the match tonight?
My man of the match was definitely Peter Shalulile.
Shalulile, eh?
Yes.
And he also scored the goal.
Ah.
Yeah. The Menchis now is back.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks,
thank
man.
you.
Do you play soccer? I can see you.
Yeah.
You know soccer.
I play soccer. I do.
Okay, good.
I
You
will.
yourself.
Yeah, we soccer lovers at home, and I
Beautiful.
used to. I actually wanted to play for Amatax, but didn't go well. I tried there,
Yeah.
got accepted, but things didn't go well. But
How old are you?
I'm turning 18 this year.
Okay, just tell them there that what's your name, which position do you play, and which team do you want to play for?
My name is Amogelang Mnguni, and I am turning 18 years old this year. I'm from Atteridgeville. The team that I want to play for is Sundowns and also Supersport.
Perfect.
My position is striker and midfield. I'm more comfortable with receiving the ball as a striker and killing it.
Nice one. All the best. Let's hope that they see it and call you.
Hey!
Eh?